Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Husqvarna 261 chainsaw, 61 cc's. Very powerful saw. This one features a 20-inch bar and chain. That's a new 3/8 chain, and that's a new sprocket nose bar. Sprocket nose right there, the end. Skip sequence, there's space between the teeth. It's a chisel bit. Just file it with a 7/32 round. It'll cut very well for you. We'll take a close-up look at some of the features this saw has. Choke is on the left. Just below that is the stop switch. It has a trip on the choke that trips that trigger so you don't have to throttle it. Has a side load on the oil and gas reservoir. Gas reservoir back here, oil reservoir up front. Has double dogs, double falling spikes. Very popular feature on this saw. And to adjust the bar tension, loosen the two nuts up. Right on the inside is the tensioner. Has a dual port muffler, and that's a factory dual port. Has a port on the front as well as a port on the side. Got the working chain brake. Decompression valves, that blue button right here. That's your decompression valve. Just a real powerful little saw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.